Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for waiting, and again, apologies for the delay. Let's get started without further delay. So, we are here to know who the lucky draw winner for the Magical March Mega Bumper Prize is going to be. For that, we'll have to wait for some time. We'll start with a quick, brief introduction of what we've been doing, our history. I'd like to request our co-founder, Mr. Mahesh, to give us a brief history of what Locus has been doing in the last 2.5 years, and then we'll get started.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, everybody. My name is Mahesh. So we started Locus in 2018, June 2018, in less than 2.5 years. It has been an excellent journey, and all the credit goes to our customers. Locus is all about serving our customers, B2B, wholesale, doorstep delivery, bringing in low MOQ products at the wholesale price to our customers at their doorstep. So we started this in Chennai, and very soon we have already expanded to more than 15 plus cities, where we have our staff, delivery staff, who delivers the products to your doorstep. So we always keep our customers at front, and we have been running multiple offers, multiple discounts at various periods. And like last time, this is again in Magical March Lucky Draw, we had launched a new program. So I would like Rupesh ji to explain about what we have done in Magical March Lucky Draw, and we'll take forward with we'll come to know who is the winner of Bajaj CT100. So Rupesh ji will explain about the Magical March Lucky Draw offer, and also we'll touch base on the scheme that we have for customer loyalty program, which we have launched very recently. So over to Rupesh ji.
Thank you, Mahesh. So for the month of March, we had done a free gift offer and an assured gift offer. So we had more than 3,000 customers who had participated in this Magical March scheme, and of those 3,000, roughly about 800 customers had won the lucky draw offers on a daily basis. So we had gifted 1 gram gold coins to 26 customers, and around about 720 emergency torchlight to customers who had won on a daily basis. So on an average, we had gifted 800 customers in the month of March 2021. So this is more about the March month, and as Mahesh pointed out, for the month of April, May, June, we are running a loyalty program for the customers across India where Locus is present. Okay, and I'll give it to Kamal to kind of Anand to explain more on the loyalty program. Post which we'll get into the lucky draw for the Bajaj bike.
Hello, very good evening, customers. Hope you had, and the people in Tamil Nadu had a great day today. Did your right and responsibility by voting. Quickly, I'll touch base on the schemes we have for this 3-month scheme. For 10,000, we have the lucky the assured gift of Pigeon induction cooktop stove, and for 25,000, for those who purchase for 3 months consecutively, will get a NutriBlend 22 RPM mixer, 3-jar mixer, and for 50,000, we have the LED TV, 32-inch LED TV, and for 1 lakh we have 5 gold coins, and for 2 lakhs we have 5 gold coins and the holiday package to Thailand. Yeah, 5 gram gold coin and holiday package to Bangkok holiday package for 4 nights and 5 days. So hope we will have maximum participation from you guys, and yeah, you can look at the website for more details. And definitely, I'll recommend you and I'll request you all customers to please to actively participate in this program and make this a grand success. Thank you.
Yeah, one of the good things about the loyalty program is it's free. You don't have to pay anything to register. So we expect every customer to log on to the mobile app, Logos mobile app, check for the loyalty program banner in the homepage, click and enroll. As soon as you enroll, all your orders throughout the month and for the entire 3 months period is going to incur no shipping charges. Yes, it's completely free shipping charges irrespective of what your order value is. So we expect maximum participation. We want all the Logos customers to get the benefits that we are here to pass on to you guys. So now without further ado, let's go on to why we are all here today. Let's move on to the Magical March Mega Lucky Draw, Mega Bumper Lucky Draw. So who is this winner who is going to get the Bajaj CT 100? Right? We had a similar lucky draw last time. We had a customer called Vicky Telecom who won Honda Activa in the last lucky draw. Yes, Vicky Telecom has also participated this time. Will he be the winner or will we have a new winner this time? So without further ado, I would also take this opportunity to call all our leads to come forward, stand with us. All the leads, please come quickly. Come, stand with us. So we have a big team who are working behind the scene and making all this possible. So whatever service we are able to provide today, we know we can definitely improve and we have a long way to go, but we will be there. We will give you the best of service in the future. But yes, whatever we have been able to achieve today, it's because of some of the leads are here. So we would like to welcome, we would like to thank all the leads here. These are the guys who are making it possible for us. Yeah, and this some of us. Today being the election day in Tamil Nadu, we've given voting day off to all our employees. So now, a request. Yeah, we have Harsha here, the only female who could make it to the office today. She would come and she would pick up. So we have all the eligible customers' names and numbers in the chits here. If any customer has placed order in the multiple of 10,000, we have put those number of chits. For example, if some customer has put an order of 30,000 in the month of March, we have 3 chits for that customer. So now we'll request Harsha. Yeah, you can make it.
So we have the lucky winner here.
Camera, can we get the camera closer?
From Hyderabad.
And the lucky winner is in the mirror format. So we will read it to you guys. The lucky winner is Ayush Mobile, Mr. Syed Arshad. His number is 9347638777 and he is from Hyderabad. So congratulations from all of us to Ayush Mobile, Mr. Syed Arshad from Hyderabad. Let's try if we could call him live now, and if he's not with us, let's see if we can talk to him right away and inform him. Okay, hope we are not disturbing him. Hello? Hello, Mr. Syed? Mr. Syed, this is Kamal calling from Logos. Logos Technologies. Sir, I have a very good and important news for you. Do you have 1 minute? Sir, you participated in the Magical March Lucky Draw scheme last month. And you should be very, very happy to know that you are the winner of Bajaj CT 100 motorbike. So you have won the lucky draw and you are the winner of the motorbike, sir. And right now you are live on YouTube, so we are glad. Sir, you have anything to tell us? आपको कुछ बोलना है सर? Thank you, sir. I hope you have already enrolled for the loyalty program and we expect your support in all the future schemes also. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you all customers for joining us live, and sorry there was an initial delay for due to technical reasons, and we expect your complete participation in all our programs, and we assure you of the best service that we'll do from Locus. So we want all your support in making Locus loyalty program a really great success. It is very simple. We want you to participate for continuous 3 months, and there are good gifts, and as Kamalji said, there is free shipping on all orders. So we expect the best participation from you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.